Flooring is here, has to be milled. Storing it there, keeping it safe out of the sun, doing my best to keep it from twisting. I got the cinder blocks. I'm centering it up as best as I can, trying to utilize all the shade and space I have for comfort, and just do my best to use some of the existing plants that's there. Split the difference between them so I don't have to transplant. The one that I hid over there, that's gonna be transplanted, uprooted and transplanted. I wasn't paying attention, so I whacked that, so it has to go in that direction just another foot or so. I did it. Now I'm gonna drop some cinder blocks in place. These cinder blocks, they claim and state that they are made with some white gravel, concrete, and a hint of sand for strength and durability. Alright, I picked up one section where I use like the weight of the thing, counterbalance weight. So I want to see if I can do it this side. This side is a top bit larger, longer and bigger than had planned. So we're going to see if I can figure out how to do the same thing over here. Let's see if it's going to be a success. Well, it will be. I missed this weld. exactly. Well, they say we're humans, we make mistakes. And that's how it's done. Let's see if this will work. In my mind, I have it scheduled and prepped and propped that it's going to work. Let's see. That's done in a way so that I can have minimal weight load over here to lift and pick and move. See that? I only got 2 more to do and then we're all set and squared off. Sorry, I'm getting some of the excess cement off my hands. Let's see if I can get this section set up and worked out. Another one, I missed the well. So I got 2 joists, 2 flooring joists that I missed the well. I was exhausted and tired, so I never checked them. And then, you know, each time when you finish a project, if you're working by yourself, your energy is depleted, and you have to pick up tools, and that takes a few minutes to pick up tools, and then you have to pick up your trash. I even left some of my trash and then picked up the following day. Alright, flooring is next. Alright, I think I got her all seated well. Can't say level because I didn't grab a level or anything to put on it. It's just eyeball. So these are the flooring for both sections. The bathroom, the supposed restroom, and the flooring. So it's a studio. It'll have a tiny kitchen and a little bed space, and then storage area for equipments and stuff. I think the delivery guy said that these white looking ones here are Nargosta, and then this red one is possibly Sapodilly. If it's not, it's a pretty beautiful and dense hardwood. In Costa Rica they use Sapodilly to make rafters and stuff, and trusses as well. They can prefab truss there as well. We work for likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to the channel. Just do a quick little walkthrough. This is when they say the land provides. If you take care of the land, it will provide. You can use these to make jelly, and also use it to make candy too. I plan on making flooring. I will see if I can figure it out without having to run it through a planer and stuff. Even though they're different sizes, I'll see if I can figure out how to mill them down and still turn them into flooring, even though they have the different thickness between them. Give you guys a once around.